Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, and this is Mookie. Coming up, we got appies with Chappy by the lake. I'm going to make some Moroccan shrimp. See here how I did the spices for my Moroccan shrimp.
All right, so this is the sumac that I was talking about. It's very citrusy and synonymous with Moroccan cooking. And this is just some paprika. And then I have some Spanish smoked paprika. And some white pepper. The white pepper is a little stronger than the black pepper. Then I have some cumin. I'm just going to put a touch in. It can kind of overpower stuff. Cumin is usually what you taste when you're having chili. And it's in a lot of Indian and Mexican cooking. And then some cayenne pepper. That's a little bit of heat there, so not too much. And some garlic salt. And this is coriander. And this is allspice. And then I put it all in the jar so I can shake it up and mix it up. Alright, I got some nice plump shrimp. Gonna add some canola oil. It's just kind of a neutral flavor oil, and it'll help the spice to adhere. All right. And I got a little bit left over. I'll save that for next time. And that is my Moroccan spice blend for my Moroccan shrimp.
Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Here's my Moroccan shrimp. I'm going to make a drink to go with that. I'm going to do a Cedar Wood. I just have a glass with ice. And we're going to go 2 ounces of vodka. The juice from 1/2 lemon. Two ounces of cranberry. And then we're gonna finish that off with some ginger ale. And that is a Cedar Wood to go with my Moroccan shrimp. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.